Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to export a content area in Blackboard. In this case I created a custom content area by clicking the little plus sign up at the top, choosing content area, typing in the name I wanted, and then building the content in that content area. So mine is called Start Here. These are the two folders I have within Start Here. There's content within those that I've created, and I want to export it so I can use it at another time, maybe on another machine. Maybe I want to email it to one of my colleagues. So I'm going to click Package and Utilities, choose Export, Archive Courses, and I want to export a package. I'm going to scroll down to find my content area. I'm going to click that. That's all I want to export. Everything else is fine. I'm going to come down and click Submit. And I see success. This action has been queued. An email will be sent when the process is complete. I know that email will be sent shortly, but I also know that it's a very small package and doesn't take very much time. So I'm just going to refresh my browser, and I see there it is. So now I'm going to click that zip file and see it's downloading. In Chrome, it's real easy to see down in the bottom left corner. I see when it's complete, and I can find that actually by going to my downloads, and I see there it is. Now I can move it anywhere I want. I have a specific file that I want to put those in, so I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come over to my documents. I'm just going to put it in this and paste. And now I can rename it if I don't want to use the name that Blackboard gave it. And that's all there is to it. Thanks a lot.